Think about the last time you were in the showroom of a car dealership. Were the cars clean? Using merchandise in the showroom, you can use merchandising to shelves look neat and full. You can use to boost sales. Lacing you create with closer experts you in many ways. You build trust and respect with your store manager and positively impacts inventory control and ordering. Happy merchandising! Think about a time when you were in a clothing store to buy shirts. Brands may be greater than baked or the better for you brands. Another factor that influences a planogram is the contribution of a product to the sales mix. If a product sells more in a particular store, it gets more space on the shelf and boosts sales.